Are you tired of juggling multiple communication apps? Does the thought of missing an important message amongst the clutter of notifications make you break out in a cold sweat? In this hyper-connected world, staying on top of all your business communications can feel like a Herculean task. Enter Connect, the solution to your communication woes. Connect is a revolutionary customer relationship management system designed to streamline your communication channels. It's the one-stop shop for all your business communication needs, from texts and emails to Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and web chat messages. Scene script? Picture this. Instead of constantly flipping between apps, you have a single, unified dashboard, an interface that's as intuitive as it is powerful, providing a bird's-eye view of all your ongoing conversations. No more missed messages, no more lost opportunities. With Connect, every connection counts. Connect's magic lies in its simplicity. It consolidates all your communication platforms into one convenient location. This means more time focusing on what really matters, building relationships with your clients. But Connect is more than just a communication tool. It's a relationship builder. By ensuring you're there when your clients reach out, Connect helps foster trust and customer loyalty. It's about being present, being responsive, and being reliable. And remember, Connect isn't just for big businesses. Whether you're a startup finding your feet or a large corporation with a global footprint, Connect levels the playing field. It's a game changer, a tool that revolutionizes how you connect with your clients. So why wait? Don't let another important message slip through the cracks. Embrace the future of communication with Connect. Simplify your life, build stronger relationships, and take your business to new heights. Try Connect today, because in business, every connection matters.